How to make money online for free. Hello, I'm Jason and I'll be going over some of the best ways how to make money online without any investment. The first option that I would recommend you give a try is obviously YouTube. As with YouTube, even if you don't want to show your face, you can still create a profitable YouTube channel. For example, you can see right here, with this channel all they do is simply use photos from Google, and the text actually, or the information that they reveal in the video, is actually from articles that they get on YouTube. And this is another example. If you do not want to talk about your favorite sports team, you can also talk about celebrity news, and with these again, all you'll be using is still photos and the latest celebrity news articles. And these two channels, and there are numerous others just like this in different niches that are really profitable. So you don't have to show your face, and if you want, you don't even have to use your voice, as you could get someone to do the voiceover. But for starters, I would recommend that you use your own voice. Another option that you can look into to start making money online is by creating a website. You can either create a website on which you'll sell ad space, or you could create a website like this on which you can not only make money by selling ad space, but this is an affiliate website. To be exact, they're an Amazon affiliate website, so they tend to do reviews. For example, the best projectors under $500, and once you tap on their link, as you can see right here, they will get a commission from Amazon if you should go over there and make a sale. So you could do a website like this on which you talk about the best products, or you can do a website on which you talk about anything, and once you rank in Google search, you'll be able to get traffic and you can monetize your traffic. Another option you could look into is Fiverr, as Fiverr is one of the best freelancing websites. Or if you don't want to sign up with Fiverr, you could sign up with another freelancing website on which you can go on and you can be a virtual assistant to someone, or you could go into writing, or you can create thumbnails. There are numerous things you can do as a freelancer if you have that skill. Another option you could also look into is transcribing. And with transcribing, all you'll need is reliable internet, and once you're quick on typing, you can start making money. And with there are numerous transcribing platforms that you'll be able to get a lot of jobs once you're good at it, and with practice, I'm certain that you will get good at it. So if you want, you could sign up with numerous transcribing websites. I have a few that I have done videos on that you can look on, a couple of my past videos, and you could start making money with transcribing. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.